as far as we're concerned, we're just working as quickly as we can on the ground to get all of the permits, clearances for the plane as well as the people. Yun naman kasi yung dalawang component ng repatriation time.
So, nung latest, sir, kailan may uuwi doon sa ginagawa niyong
Right
effort?
now, we are waiting for the final approvals from the Chinese authorities, both on the people as well as on the plane. So we hope to get it. You know, host governments never give a timeline. So we just try and ask them, can you do it faster? Ganun lang. But we work with them naman. So nag-cooperate naman ang Chinese authorities with us to give us the clearances and permits.
So, 40 po supposedly yung uuwi daw, sir?
42 as of our last count.
But not all of them po ay documented, so may problema po yung iba?
Well, yung iba may problema talaga because yung napunta doon, yung visa expired, siyempre kasama yun sa pag-ayos natin para mag-repatriate. Yan naman, trabaho naman ng DFA lagi yan. Yung mga undocumented natin, ayusin pa rin natin.
Ilan yung mga undocumented, sir?
I'm not sure, but I think around 4 people are undocumented.
Konti lang naman.
Konti lang naman.
So, tentatively Monday may uuwi, sir? No. O wala ka pang idea?
I don't want to give a timeline because
okay.
it's all dependent on the Chinese government giving the permits. So,
Pero sir, yung preparation